Indians are getting hooked. The betting season is on and the digital stakes are dangerously high. We are diving into the explosive world of online betting in India, where fortunes are won and lost with a tap, and concerns about widespread addiction are mounting. Let's examine the facts and figures behind this rapidly expanding market. And trust me, these numbers will shock you. Forget millions. We are talking billions. The illegal betting market in India, a staggering 8.2 lakh crores annually. That's over $100 billion flowing outside the regulated system. And that's just the tip of iceberg. But wait, there's more. The legal online gambling market is projected to skyrocket, potentially exceeding $16 billion by 2033. It's a compound annual growth rate that will make your head spin. Imagine billions of transactions happening every day, every hour, and what fuels this frenzy? Cricket. Specifically, the Indian Premier League during the IPL season, betting activity explodes, with some estimates suggesting billions of rupees changing hands in a single match. But with these massive numbers comes massive risk. The odds are stacked against you. Betting platforms are businesses designed to profit. Think of it. Those algorithms are designed to make you lose in the long run. The accessibility and convenience of online betting creates a dangerous cocktail of addiction. The rush of a win, the ease of a tap, it's a recipe for disaster. And the financial fallout, devastating. We are talking about ruined lives, shattered families, and financial nightmares. India's legal landscape, a complex state-by-state patchwork. This regulatory grey area creates chaos and the potential for money laundering. It's a ticking time bomb. And let's talk about those celebrity endorsements. They add a sheen of legitimacy, but at what cost? Are we sacrificing ethical responsibility for profit? This isn't just a game, it's a potential crisis. We need to wake up to the dangers of unchecked online betting, understand the risks, set limits, and prioritize responsible gambling. The numbers don't lie. The Indian betting market is a data-driven explosion with both immense potential and significant risks. At One Stats, we believe in empowering you with the facts so you can make informed decisions. If you found this data insightful, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more in-depth analysis. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to One Stats for the news that matters.